YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. Go do a quick little update midweek. Actually passed, it's a Thursday. We're going to talk about Helen.
Helen. That's nice. You look like a Helen.
The auction you. There's some that came up. We'll go over that. And maybe talk about a few other things. Probably not. But real short video today. Let's get on with it. There's Helen the auction you. If you notice, there's one missing. The black lamb passed. We have a feeling she got smashed or walked on either by her siblings or a ranger, because he's a little chunk now. But yeah, you can see that boy and the girl there are eating. They're doing good. Mom's doing well. Keeping up with her. So yeah, last well, just the other day, Tuesday, I came out early morning before work, and she was alive. They were all doing okay. Melly came out a little bit later, check on them, and the black lamb passed. We don't know why, don't know how, but it looks like she was laying down and maybe someone stomped on her or whatever. It's part of life, or maybe there was something else that went wrong. We know the condition of Helen, so that could have led to a lot of things. They all weighed in at like 5¼ pounds. Actually, the black one weighed in at like 5½. So it was about a quarter pound heavier. So we really have no explanation why. But we're watching the lambs. They're still both thin, the two that we have. But I see them feeding from mom. The mom sack is pretty big. We are giving her feed. We're giving her hay and plenty of water. So hopefully these two go well. The ram is still staying. The ewing, or what I want to call her, the little baby lamb, the girl, she'll be staying too, no matter what. And Ranger down here, he's not going to be staying. As you can see here, all the lambs are doing pretty good. There's 5 out there right now, so all 5 are out there, minus Helen's. See the property. I'll put that video at the end for the pasture. We got some rain, so everything looks good. They're eating down what's left in that section, which is pretty much nothing. I did put a pile of hay right there, and they're eating that a little bit. That'll help put down some weed seeds. Hopefully not weed seeds, hopefully put down some seed, and we'll get some grass there. But we're getting enough rain. You can see all the water standing at the edge of the pasture, and there's actually drain pipe going there. I think it needs to be all dug out. So that's kind of it, what's going on here. Not much, really quick and short. I put the rabbits together the other day. Well, some of them, see what we get going, see if we got any bread. It was toast, and the other male we have, powdered sugar, passed. But this other male we're gonna keep, so we'll have 2 bucks. We do have someone coming by tonight to pick up 5 chickens. She bought a couple goats from us last year. She knows we have a lot of chickens, so that's if we hatched out any this year or hatching, and we're not running the incubators at all. If we find guinea eggs, we'll get. But there's one guinea that never shuts up, and we said, if you can catch it, you can take it. And she goes, I'm taking it. Well, I actually got the door closed, and just that guinea is in there, so she can take that one, because that one drives me nuts. Let's move this. Hopefully it dries up soon. We really need to dry up. My goat's hoofs are just taking a beating right now with this wet. We gotta figure out something to eradicate the moisture out of here. The clay is just way too high. And we got to get some more material in here. Thanks, Vinny. Get more material in here to absorb this moisture and have more organic matter, just because it's taking a beating on the hooves, and it will be shortly on those sheep. But that's it for today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Any questions or comments, always leave a comment. I will get back to you. I tend to get back to people within 24 hours. So I'll see you next time here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead.